Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school ID in GCash. Many students find this a convenient way to verify their accounts, allowing access to more features. We will cover the entire process, ensuring a smooth experience from start to finish. This guide helps you get fully verified easily and quickly. To begin, confirm you are at least 18 years old, as this is a primary requirement for verification. Your school ID must be valid and current, with no expiration in the near future. Ensure your full name, a clear photo, and your signature are all visible and legible. This ID should also be issued by a recognized school, college, or university. First, open your GCash application on your smartphone. Head over to the Profile section, usually found on the bottom navigation bar. From there, locate and tap on Verify Now to initiate your account verification. When prompted, carefully select School ID as your chosen identification document. Make sure your physical school ID is ready before proceeding. The application will then guide you to take a clear, well-lit photograph of the front of your school ID. Please ensure every detail, especially your photo, name, and ID number, is easily readable. Next, you will likely be prompted to take a live selfie to confirm your identity, matching it with the ID photo. Double-check all the information you have provided before tapping the Submit button.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.